Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. The monitor must support HDR10 or Dolby Vision and true 10-bit color. Otherwise, skip HDR. Next, update your GPU drivers. Do this now and open the vendor control panel to set color depth to 10-bit if the option exists. Once done, enable HDR in Windows settings under Display. Make sure you select the HDR-capable display, then toggle Play HDR games and apps. This activates the pipeline, so applications can output wide color and higher peak brightness. Once HDR is enabled, calibrate tone mapping and brightness. Use Windows HDR calibration or a hardware/colorimeter-based tool to target a comfortable peak luminance and to tame highlights. Then, in your GPU control panel, set the color space to the best match, BT. 2020 if supported, otherwise auto, and set output range to full when instructed by the monitor. Finally, enable HDR inside each app or game. You want native HDR output rather than forced conversion, because it preserves correct colors. Finish by tweaking brightness and contrast. Reset game or app brightness sliders to default, then use the Windows HDR brightness slider to align perceived luminance. If you see washed-out colors or clip-in highlights, check for double tone mapping. Disable dynamic metadata or in-app HDR and test which pipeline gives the correct result. If things still look wrong, switch to a known HDR source or temporarily disable HDR to diagnose whether the monitor, GPU, or content causes the issue. This single test usually points to the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.